PSG ISD librarians promote global literacy by fostering a learning environment that encourages collaboration, inquiry, and excellence.
Not only are we educators, we're literacy advocates.
We're leaders in the field.
We're collaborative partners.
Over the years, the role of librarian really has evolved, but the reality is that the role of the librarian is multifaceted. They really are teachers preparing lessons, working with their staff to provide the best services for their students.
I love to see teachers come in and check out class sets because then they share the same passion that I do for literature. And I love the fact that they read to the children, even if it's for the last 30 minutes of the day. The children, they're like captivated. They're engrossed with everything that is happening in the story. And I love that. I love that passion for literature.
Our librarians really put in so much work into the job. On any given day, a librarian has to quickly switch from one level to another and provide the appropriate lesson, activity, material, and recommend the right resources for a wide range of student levels. And so our librarians have challenges year-round, encouraging that love of reading.
Everything that we do in the library is very mindful and intentional. This could stem from reading promotion, technology integration, research project-based learning. It's our responsibility to work with each stakeholder, be it our administrators, our teachers, our students, our parents, to identify areas of need and then building our programs around that.
What I enjoy the most and within my years of here at the high school, I've learned that I have to have an open communication with the teacher, because the teacher really is key to bringing the students to the library. And I feel like if I can make a connection with the teacher, I can bring them to the library, and then I can give them not only a different environment, but still provide them with what they're doing in the class.
They really love what they do. The teamwork that's happening here to really be innovative and incorporate our sustainable development goals and make sure that we're grounding ourselves and connecting to the curriculum and all the things that the librarians are doing to make sure our students are successful. I'm just really proud of all the work they're doing.